How to download Interactive Brokers Trader Workstation. Go to the official Interactive Brokers website. Then click on Interactive Brokers LLC Home. After that you find a login page. There you have to click on Login option and you will find Download Trader Workstation. Click on Download Trader Workstation button. After that you can see different versions like TWS Latest, TWS, TWS Beta. All these options you have to select TWS Latest version. After selecting that you can see Download option. Once the download is complete, open the installer file and follow the prompts to install TWS on your computer. After installation, open the Trader Workstation from your desktop or Start menu. You can log in with your Interactive Brokers credentials. Thanks for watching.